Hello, welcome once again to another segment of the lecture series. Here we have a simplification of fractions. So we're going to look at how to simplify fractions. There are many ways one can simplify fractions. You can simplify fractions by addition. You can simplify fractions by subtraction. You can simplify fractions by multiplication, division, and so on and so forth. Now, simplification of fraction, what does it really mean? Simplification of fraction means making a fraction to be simple. That is what it means. So simplification of fraction simply means what? Making a fraction to be what? Simple. So when you are making a fraction to be as simple as possible, it means you are simplifying it. So here we have simplification of fractions. Simplify the following fractions. 1 whole number 2 over 3 plus 1 whole number 1 over 4. Like I told us, this is simplification of fraction by addition. Simplification of fraction by addition. So here what do? These are whole numbers. You are adding up mixed fractions. We have treated mixed fractions. So this is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So you are adding up two mixed fractions. Now, the first thing to do is sum the whole numbers, add up the whole numbers. So we have 1 plus 1, we have 2. Then the next thing to do is you find the LCM of the denominators. So 3 and 4, you find the LCM of 3 and 4. And good enough, we've treated the LCM. So you can watch our previous videos for the lectures on LCM and HCF. Now, 3 and 4, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now, 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. So you use the LCM and divide each of the denominators. So whatever you get, use it and multiply the numerator and put it down. Use the LCM, divide the denominator. Whatever you get, use and multiply the numerator and put it down. 12 divided by 2 give you 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. 3 times 1 will give you 3. So you have two whole number, you add up this. 8 plus 3 will give you 11. So you have two whole number, 11 over 12 as your answer. Number 2. 3 whole number, 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number, 2 over 3. You have to simplify this. So this is simplification by subtraction. Simplification by subtraction. Now, you first work on the whole numbers. So you have 3 and 1. So 3 minus 1, you have 2. So you find the LCM of the denominators. 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Please watch our previous videos on how to work out LCM and HCF if you have not watched it. So 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 will give you 6. So now 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. 3 times 1 will give you 3. 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4. Use the LCM, divide each of the denominators. Any answer you get, use that, multiply the numerator and put it down. So here we have two whole number, 3 minus 4 over 6. Now, something calls for serious concern here. 3 minus 4, it cannot go. What do? 3 minus 4 cannot go. What do? We go for borrowing. We borrow. We have to borrow. We don't have option. There is nothing we can do about it. We borrow from this number 2. We borrow from 2. We borrow 1. You don't borrow more than 1. You borrow 1. Now, there is something you need to note here. The 1 you will borrow here, the value of that 1 is equal to the LCM. So we borrow 1 from here. So that 1 you borrowed now, the value is 6. The true value of that 1 is 6. So we borrow 1 from here, and that 1 is 6. The value of that 1, the quantitative value of that 1 is 6. So when I say 6 plus 3, we give us 9. So when we borrow 1 from here, 1 will be remaining. So that's the 1 whole number here. So the value of that 1 we borrowed is 6. The true value of it is 6. So when I say 6 plus 3 give us 9. And 9 minus 4 give us 5. So we have 1 whole number, 5 over 6 as our answer. We have alternative solution to number 2. Yes, we can take another approach. If this one didn't go well with you, you can use this approach. So alternative solution to number 2. 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 2 over 3. How do we go about it? You convert a mixed fraction to single fraction. And how do you do it? Use the denominator, multiply the whole number. Whatever you get, add it to the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. So we have 7 over 2 minus 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 over 3. So we find the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. 3 times 7 will give you 21. Minus 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. 2 times 5 will give you 10. And 21 minus 10 will give you what? 11. So we have 11 over 6, which is about what? 11 divided by 6 is improper fraction. The one on top is greater than the one down. So you reduce it to what? Mixed fraction. 1 whole number 5 over 6. This simply means 6 persons are sharing 11 things. So each person will get what? 1. And there will be a remainder of 5. So you have 1 whole number 5 over 6. Then the last one, 1 whole number 2 over 3 divided by 2 whole number 2 over 5. This is simplification of fraction by division. So in this case, what do? Don't look for LCM. You don't look for LCM here. Simply convert the mixed fractions to single fractions. 3 times 1 is what? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 over 3. Divided by 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 over 5. Now, in simplifying fractions by division, the division changes to what? Multiplication. And on the right hand side, the fraction on the right hand side undergoes inversion, which means the numerator value will go to the position of the denominator, while the denominator value will go to the position of the numerator. So we have 4 over 3. Division changes to multiplication. 5 will now go up, while 12 will come down. So we have 5 over 12. Now we can cancel out. 4 here is 1. 4 here is 3. So finally we have 5 times 1 is 5. And 3 times 3 is 9. So we have our answer as 5 over 9. So that is it for simplification of fractions by addition, subtraction, and division. I believe you enjoyed these lectures. Join us in our next video for another interesting package we have for you. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Cheers.